In this video, I'll show you how to stop Steam Client Webhelper from running in the background. First method is to close Steam completely. Make sure Steam is completely closed, including any Steam icons in the system tray or background. A second method is to use Task Manager. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open the Task Manager. Look for the processes related to Steam Client Webhelper. It might be listed as Steam Client Webhelper or something similar. Right-click on every process and then click End Task. Third method is to adjust Steam settings. Just launch the Steam application and go to the Steam in the top left corner. Select Settings and then Disable Startup option. Choose the Interface tab and ensure the option Run Steam when my PC starts is disabled. The fourth method is to clear web browser cache. Open Steam and go to Settings. Find the option to clear web browser cache and click it. And also you can update the Steam application or reinstall it on your computer. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.